How to reverse a string in JavaScript. First, we'll need a string, so let s equals string hello. To reverse s, we'll give ourselves a srev variable. Let srev equals, then we'll do our one-line magic. S dot split of empty string. This separates s into an array of each character in s. Dot reverse. This reverses the array of characters we just made. Dot join of empty string. This joins together the array we just reversed into a new string, meaning the end result is that we have reversed s. If we console.log srev and run the code, we'll see hello reversed. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.